welcome to Dynamic Customs. My name is Mahmood. It's been a while since we've done a video, so we thought, you know what, call up KTS and get one done. Today we've got a 2014 Range Rover Sport in for a dynamic upgrade body kit. We're going to do a before and after video to show you the difference between a standard Range Rover Sport and one with one of our dynamic body kits on it. Let's go, champ! Welcome back to Dynamic Customs. Well, let's just show you what we've just done to it. Okay, we just replaced the complete front bumper. See, we've got the black contrast and the DRLs fitted to the bumper, as you can see, on both sides. Black grille at the bottom, like a black mouth, and then we've got the lip to contrast nicely with the white front grille that has the silver brushed aluminium effect. Redone the badges again in black, redone the vents so it looks nice and clean. Going to the back, rear bumper, the whole bumper's been changed. You can see we've got the diffuser in the middle that contrasts nicely. Redone the plinth at the top here with the black badges, and the 4 quad exhausts tips at the end go nicely in a silver finish and make the car look complete. So that's us done. Customer's collecting the car shortly. He's already seen it beforehand. We've been keeping in contact with him throughout the process. He's been absolutely buzzing with it. He's going to pick you up hopefully in a short while. If you've got a 2013 to the current shape Range Rover Sport and you would like a kit on it, wheels, wrapping, any type of accessories, give us a call. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. We out.